Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram link from your Facebook profile. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up your Facebook app on your mobile device, and from here click onto your profile from the home page and then scroll down, and if I click into your about info, you'll see my Instagram link here. To delete this link, simply click on edit and give it a few moments to load, and where it says Instagram tutorial with, simply click on the cross next to that and then click on to save, which I don't want to do because I want to keep this link active on my Facebook profile. Another way to do this is head back to your profile, scroll down, and where it says see dashboard, click on the three dots next to that, and then you want to click on edit, top of the page there, and then scroll down, and as you can see, Instagram is linked to my Facebook. So if I want to remove this Instagram link, click on edit next to links and then click on remove, and then once you've done that, go back and your Instagram link will be removed from your Facebook profile. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.